Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Danian Thomas, President of the Portland Chamber of Commerce, and I'm very grateful that this year we're able to present the 40th local canoe tournament. This year our sponsors are West Indies Petroleum and of course KFC. We have 55 boats in the competition this year. Each of them has 3 members on the team. They've been given breakfast by KFC. They're going to get lunch from CC Bakery, the good old Holy Bulla. And of course in the afternoon they will be feted by National Bakery, the Sir Henry Morgan Angling Association, and of course the promoters, the Portland Chamber of Commerce. So thank you again for this opportunity for us to showcase the talent, the brilliance that is local artisanal fishing. Enjoy.
Danian, you have said that there are 55 boats out today. How is the defending champion back?
Of course, well, Red Bull won last year, and on the way in, they actually caught a 120-pound marlin. So I imagine you're going to have a very good day. The seas are nice and flat, and we suspect that the marlin will be biting.
All right, thank you very much.